Alright guys, what is up? We're back with part 6 of my Shadow of the Colossus Let's Play. Or Brendan's Play. Or Brendan Plays. Sorry. My bad is grammar today. Anyways, as you know, according to my last video, or according to Dorman in my last video, I have to go fight Big Bird. Big Bird's angry cousin. We'll call him Lester. Lester the angry colossal bird. So, Aggro, you know what this means. Let's go fight Lester the angry colossal bird. Come on, Aggro, please stop moving. Stop moving. Stop. 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 Good. Fucking horse. Oh, that's right, I have to remove my sword. So which way does the light bring us? That way. Let's get moving, Aggro. Blackro. Whatever. Aggro, I'll just call you Aggro. The light is strong in this direction. So we're gonna go. This is awkward. So the light is getting stronger the more I go this way. So I'm gonna keep going this way, not like I had any other change of plans. Okay, now we're twisting and turning around the path. It's a lot longer than I thought. No, Aggro, you dumbass! Go home, Aggro, you're drunk. You're terrible, Aggro. If I were any faster, I'd be going on foot. But frankly, you're the only... Or sadly, rather, you're the only transportation I have. No thanks. Alright, so we have to go here. I think there was a save point there for a reason, but I'm not going to bother. So we're going to persist into the Badland territory. Oh wow, it's a body of water. Alright, we're going to see if I can... Oh wow. Well, this is gay. I mean, stupid. Okay, come on, Aggro. Other way, horsey. This way. Attaboy. Girl. Thing. Horse. Great. On foot from here. Jesus. Where do I possibly go from here? How do I dive? Okay, so I know I have to go under here. Haha, I'm a genius. Okay. And 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a top. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought it was a diving board. I was gonna be like, ah. So we're going up some stairs here. We're coming to closed off area number 1. Oh, fuck. I'm just curious to know if this thing's a bird. Sorry. If Lester is a... Jesus. Oh, that is... Oh my god, Dorman was not fucking around. Holy shit. That is huge. Oh yeah, totally cool with me. You just wait there. Keep me fucking scared. Oh god, he sees me. I almost want to shoot him. See how he reacts to a good shooting with the bow. The old BOW. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that guy's not thrilled to see me. Okay, listen, Lester. I knew your cousin very well when I was a child. No need to get hostile. Okay, he was the one who asked me to count on the TV. So there's no need to give me this dirty look. But if you do want to play that dirty game, you know, we can do that. Bring it. Let's have it, buddy. Okay, so we're climbing. We're climbing, and he's soaring. Jesus. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume the weakness is on the tail. So we're gonna run. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Yes. Eat shit. Alright, so we're already kicking this bird's ass. This is a good start. Good start. I could actually just kill it right now, but I highly doubt it's going to let me do that. Bring it! Oh shit, this is nerve-wracking, I'll be honest. We got him. We got him. We got him. Wherever the hell his weakness might be now. Fucking thing just vanished. Oh jeez. Shit. Oh, no, come on, no, stop, yes, nah, you're not getting rid of me, Ugh. Gonna restore some stamina, grab back on now, serve this bitch up some more ass whooping. Alright, he's mad, alright. Ah, but it disappeared. Well, we'll stay on him. Oh, no, we won't. Fuck. It's fine. And the music just goes right back. What the fuck? It just goes right back to calm like that? I had him. Alright, we'll wait for him again. Shit. He's in the sky, and there he is. He's just flying. He's flying. Where? Oh, there he is. He's pissed. He's coming back for me. You know, if a guy started just hopping on me, totally invading me, stabbing my friggin' tail and wings, yeah, I'd be pretty pissed. I wouldn't forget him. Come on. We're gonna cycle through my weapons again. We're gonna go back for the bow. I should have got his attention. Why is he's ignoring me? Fucking asshole. Judging from his flight patterns, there's no doubt he's gonna go to those platforms. Or at least that's... Yeah, see. He flies around. And... Well, he's gonna come back for me. These videos does wonders for my channel. Is he just chilling? No, he's flying. He's doing, you know, whatever. Seriously, an actual like swimming boost would have been really just great. All right, so we're back. Wander just. Oh, it knows I'm here now. So we're gonna wait for it to come back around, and in the meantime, I'm just gonna stand, I guess. Badass stance. Wait for him. There he is. He's coming. He's coming. He knows what's good. He knows what's good. Oh, what? He doesn't... So we're gonna have to wait for him to come back around again. They're gonna shoot random... He has unlimited arrows, so you can... like, there's room for mistakes, and then that's a good thing. Especially when you're fighting guys like this. You just... Here he comes. Nailed it. It's time to fight. It's time to fight Lester. If you didn't know what steel felt like before, Big Bird, we've got something else coming. Let's go. Let's dance. I'm about to smoke you, douchebag. That's right. Get in a position where I can totally just destroy you. And there you have it. Took down the fifth Colossi. And there I am on his tail. There I am. I win. I win, Big Bird. I win, that's all there is to it. Shit. I know what happens now. This isn't happening. This isn't even fair. I'm in the water. I'm in the water. You can't do this to me. Stop it. I'm diving. That's it. Is that it? I didn't even get chased by them? Oh, fuck, they can swim. I just got soul raped. So you have it. That Colossi wasn't so bad. Definitely not as bad as the one with the sword. I'll say that one was a pain in the ass. But I did it. I beat it. I'm gonna save it. I'm already an hour through. This is good. This is good. I'm making some good progress here. Right. And for every shadow. Yeah. Fuck you. Just watch a bully piece of bird shit. Boom. Ah. How do you like that? Fuck Bob the Builder. I'll fight him when I find him. I'm pretty confident now. Yeah, sorry, that's coming from the upstairs. And there I am. I win. I beat him. Now we'll see what Dorman has to say. My objective master. What's he gonna say now? Thy next foe is a giant lurks underneath the temple. Again, this guy makes no sense, but alright. Just jumping sentences. That's cool. It lusts for destruction, but a fool it is not. So he's not an idiot. He's huge, but he's not stupid. You gotta give these Colossi credit, because none of them are really that stupid anyways. Okay, so that does conclude this part. You know, there's aggro just randomly showing up. So my next part, we're gonna go find this intelligent creature, as Dorman describes him. That is this one. And we're gonna kick his ass. Hopefully he's not as bad as the other ones I fought. Okay. So clearly there's a lot more to be dealt with. And some of these guys do look like they're gonna be a pain in the ass. But it's fine. It's fine, we'll deal with them when I find them. For now, just gonna sit back, find the next Colossi, and yeah. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.